The goal of the Public Safety Academy is to bring in high school students and teach them a career in public safety. My name is Joe Reese. I'm the coordinator for the Public Safety Academy at Desert Hot Springs High School. What's unique about the Public Safety Academy at Desert Hot Springs High School is we work with California Partnership Academy grant. I'm very fortunate to have my own 5,000 square foot facility. I have my own training area with mats where we do self-defense. We also have fire equipment, public safety equipment, police equipment, and we even have a simulated ambulance. So there's no doubt about it. In the Coachella Valley, we have the best training facility of all the high schools, and I'm very proud of it.
I've always been interested in a career in law enforcement, and I've seen the Public Safety Academy as the best option for me in my future. And each and every day, I strive to be better.
There was a recruiting table when I was in middle school, and I saw all the people at the table, and they were showing us everything that they do. And they showed us all the hands-on activities that we do in the academy. And it looked very fun and interesting, and I was like, I want to join that.
So really my biggest motivation was my sister. She was in the Public Safety Academy as well, and she would come home telling me stories about what they did that day and how they made an impact in the community. I'm very community-based, and getting to hear that she is out there to make the world a better place really inspired me and wanted me to do something with my life.
I'm a retired sergeant with the Sheriff's Department for 27 years, and I retired for approximately 4 years and felt that I needed to do more. Once I came out to Desert Hot Springs High School, I truly enjoyed seeing the cadets train. I enjoyed their academy, and most of all, I really was inspired by that sparkle in their eye to serve the community.
It's shown me the good and bad sides of being in the public service, works and employment. How it's a very stressful job, but it's also very rewarding in the end with you helping people and you just trying to get with the community.
The biggest thing I notice is the incoming freshmen, ninth graders, many times do not have discipline and structure. So here at the Academy, we build on that, and throughout the years, we make sure that they're held accountable. They take pride in their uniform, they take pride in their appearance, and also in their performance.
The training that I've been taught in the Public Safety Academy throughout the years has been in firefighting, emergency medicine, and my favorite, law enforcement. We go over SWAT tactics, domestic violence, traffic stops, felony stops, mental health issues, how to save lives, whether that be through hemorrhage control, first aid, and just anything life can throw at you.
I am the Trauma Injury Prevention Coordinator over at Desert Regional Medical Center. So what that means is I go out and I teach the community on trauma prevention, and I work with the PSA Academy students because they have their interests in the medical field, and they come and they help assist us with doing our hands-on portion of the Stop the Bleed course that we give to community.
This is my second year going out and being in the communities, teaching these people how to do it. And it's really empowering to see that there are people out there who want to get that training and education to be able to help their neighbors, their pastors, their teachers, their students. And it really makes me have more hope in the future. You see a lot of bad stuff in the news, a lot of shootings and bombings, and people are here and they are working to be someone to help it and make it better.
I've heard stories about people that I've trained before that they've gone out and they've had to use these skills that I taught them for actual real life scenarios, and it actually saved someone's life. So I think it's really impactful because I'm teaching these people, but if they didn't know this knowledge, then they would be in serious trouble. So these skills, they definitely help save lives.
They take so much initiative to really get in there and teach people all of the things that they need to know above and beyond even what we go over in the presentation, so that they really get a good grasp on what it is that they're supposed to be doing to help people.
I remember during my sophomore year, we did something called a CPAT fitness test, which is one of the tests actual firefighters have to do in order to become a licensed firefighter. And I remember we had to wear like weighted vests, and we had to use like dumbbells and drag them around and dragging mannequins going up and down the stairs. It was very stressful and very exhausting, especially with the hot weather and everything. But in the end, something I'm proud about is nobody gave up.
Mr. Ruiz teaches me the best version of myself I can possibly be. He pushes me each and every day how to become a better person, how to be a better man, not only for myself, but for the people around me, the people who get affected by my life. He tells us each and every day, take your last name and make it better.
Once our Public Safety Academy cadets have completed their 4 years of service here in the Academy, they're fully trained in everything from CPR to crisis management to fire safety. That allows them to move on to a career in public safety so that they can be successful.
Be ready to be pushed out of your boundaries. Be ready to become a better person and a better version of yourself.
Just give it a shot. Like, you don't just do stuff within those 3 fields, but you do stuff within the community as well. And it's something to be proud of, and you will continue to use those skills throughout your whole life.
We are teaching people to make a difference, and they are using that training to make a difference and help other people as well.
I've like made my second family in the academy, and every single memory, these are the memories that you're gonna cherish and take with you. So I wouldn't trade this for anything. I really like this academy, so I would say join.